Best Class Discipline Selection Committee is pleased to announce the Best Class Discipline Award for the month of June 2026. Now, based on the continuous observation and assessment of students' discipline during the morning assembly, within the classroom, and considering parameters such as punctuality, proper uniform, orderly conduct, cleanliness, adherence to school rules, attentiveness, respect toward teachers and fellow students, and overall discipline, the committee has selected the following classes for the monthly award. Now, the Best Class Discipline Award Assembly goes to Class 3 Chaitanya. Please give a big round of applause. Now I call upon the class teacher of Class 3 Chaitanya and the students to receive the award from our Principal Maharaj. Class 3 Chaitanya. And again, for the Best Class Discipline Award Classroom goes to Class 3 Ananda, a board from Class 3. Now I call upon the class teacher of Class 3 Ananda and the students to receive the award from our Principal Maharaj.
Last time also I have seen students from class 2 or 1, they have won the prize. But what about class 5 to 10? I was thinking this time some class 10 students will get because they are really behaving very good this time. And they are following discipline, attendance is also good. But anyway, next time again we try from class 5 to 10. There is a tough competition between junior students and senior students. So there are 2 prizes, at least one you should take.